So your fans are called the BBQs. Any interesting experience with them lately na comes to mind? Anything funny?
Interesting. Whatever they do are actually interesting.
Na,
Siguro po alam niyo yung BBQs and siguro yung relationship ko with them. Sobrang napapansin ko, we understand each other in a very different way and very deep na parang I don't have to post anything. I don't have to, alam niyo yun, na magsabi pa ng kahit ano. Parang gets na agad nila yung kahit konting expressions ko pa lang, alam na nila kung ano yung ibig ko sabihin. They're very matured, they're very, syempre, understanding, and nakita nila kung paano ako nag-grow, and at the same time, nakikita ko rin paano sila nag-grow. At nakikita ako na parang sabay-sabay kami na-achieve namin yung dreams. And siguro yung most interesting na recently na nangyari, ayun, sa TP Fair, nakita ko, Team Payaman Fair po recently, na parang yun yung last performance ko, live performance, and very heartwarming kasi nandun lahat sila na kahit, alam niyo, holiday season,
Yeah.
and it should be a time for the family, pero nandun sila para to support me, and of course, yung mga postings nila lagi, kahit yung mga nasa bahay lang na hindi nakapunta sa live, nakikita ko kung paano nila ako pinapasaya, and of course, I have my, kasi parang, dedicated server for the fans. So, nakaka-interact ako sila doon. Every day, sobra, malala yung nila, kabaliwan nila. And of course, yung, alam niyo yun, yung good vibes na binibigay nila sa akin.
it's good na parang everyday you can turn to a group for siguro comfort
Yes
or
po, super. Malaking tulong sa akin yun na, especially for the times na I'm feeling down. Alam niyo yun, na hindi naman araw-araw masaya.
Yeah.
Pero, because of my BBQs and of course fans, parang nararanasan ko talaga na ma-comfort with their words and yung mga simple gestures na nagpapatawa sila, and of course yung talagang pag nakaka-receive siguro ako ng compliments from them.